Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by turning whole chilies or cayenne into a smooth base so the sauce emulsifies and flavors meld. Once your chilies are stemmed and deseeded, toast briefly in a dry pan to deepen flavor. Make sure not to burn. Then combine chilies or 3 Oz cayenne, 1 cup white vinegar, 2 cloves garlic, 2 tablespoon brown sugar, and 1 tsp salt in a blender. Pulse with 1/4 cup water until a thick, pourable puree forms. Once done blending, pour the puree into a saucepan and simmer gently for 8 to 10 minutes so volatile acids soften and garlic cooks through. While that simmers, heat half a cup of neutral oil until warm and whisk in cayenne powder and smoked paprika to create the signature hot oil. This extracts fat-soluble aromatics and carries heat. Make sure to strain the cooked puree through a fine sieve into a bowl to remove skins and seeds, giving a silky finish before combining with the oil. You now finish by tempering. Slowly whisk the hot infused oil into the strained puree so it emulsifies, which builds mouthfeel and locks flavors. Make sure to taste and adjust with extra vinegar, sugar, or salt until balanced. Once cool, transfer the sauce into a sterilized jar or bottle and refrigerate. It keeps for about 3 weeks. If the sauce separates or tastes overly bitter, add a splash more vinegar and a small pinch of sugar. Then re-whisk to bring it back into balance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.